Have you ever felt like you're giving your all, tapos parang wala lang? Alam mo yung tipong binuhos mo na lahat, oras, energy, puso, tapos sa dulo, parang hindi man lang napansin. Parang kahit anong pilit mong maging enough, laging may kulang. Nakaka-drain, nakaka-question ng worth. I've been there. Ginawa ko lahat, nag-effort akong makisabay, nag-initiate, nagpakumbaba, umintindi, pumili ng tamang words, tamang timing. I gave so much of myself sa trabaho, sa friendships, sa relationships, thinking that maybe, just maybe, ma-appreciate din ako. Pero hindi. Yung ideas ko, hindi pinapakinggan. Yung efforts ko, parang normal lang. Wala man lang, thank you, o ayos yan ah. Ang sakit, 'di ba? Kasi hindi naman ako nag-expect ng trophy. Pero sana naman, kahit konting recognition lang. Kahit konting sign na, hey, we see you. Hanggang sa dumating yung point na napagod na lang ako bigla. Alam mo yung pagod na hindi lang physically. Yung tipong kahit tulog ka, hindi ka talaga nagpapahinga. Kasi paggising mo, andun pa rin yung pakiramdam na parang invisible ka. Then it hit me. Paano kung hindi effort ko ang kulang? Paano kung mali lang talaga yung lugar kung saan ko siya nilalagay? Boom, reality check. Kasi minsan, hindi ikaw ang problema. Minsan, hindi mo lang napapansin na nasa maling table ka. You're pouring your heart into a space that was never meant to hold you. You're trying to bloom in soil that was never meant for your kind of seed. Kahit gaano mo diligan, hindi talaga tutubo. Kasi hindi siya ang tamang lupa para sa'yo. So, I made a choice. Umalis. Hindi dahil sumuko ako, pero dahil na-realize ko, deserve ko rin naman. Deserve ko rin naman palang maramdaman yung value ko. Deserve kong mapunta sa isang lugar o kasama ang mga taong hindi ko kailangang paulit-ulit patunayan ng sarili ko. Kung saan sapat ang effort ko. At hindi ako kailangang sumigaw para lang marinig. At guess what? When I found that place or that space, whether it's a job, a new set of friends, or just inner peace, everything started to feel lighter. Yung dating effort na parang basura lang, biglang naging valuable. Yung dating boses na hindi pinapansin, biglang may bigat. Because finally, I was where I was meant to be. So if you're watching this and you're tired, not just tired, but tired of giving your all and still feeling invisible, maybe it's not you. Maybe you're just investing in a place that doesn't know how to receive you. Don't shrink. Don't stop. Just shift. You're not asking for too much. Maybe you're just asking it from the wrong place. Yan lang.